year Visit Irving, and we took on South by Southwest.
To get the message out, Irving rocks.
Yay! We used our booth space as an opportunity to highlight Irving as a destination.
This was primarily brand awareness, that we are a music destination. We do have a big music presence here. We have one of the top venues for music.
We used our selfie mirrors as a way to draw people in. We collected their email addresses as they took their picture, and then random winners would pop up on these mirrors and tell people that they won concerts to our amazing venue, the Pavilion.
It's South by Southwest magic. Yes. You know, it's Irving magic.
And I used to live in Irving.
We had several visitors who came out and said, I lived in Irving. This isn't the Irving that I remember.
I haven't heard of Irving, Texas before. It'll be my first time visiting the area.
Sometimes you do have to say, we are in the heart of Dallas-Fort Worth. We are a 3-hour drive from right here where you're standing.
We have a canal with Venetian gondolas. We have a resort with a world-class spa and 2 18-hole golf courses. You know, people are just like, wow, really? Irving? Yes, Irving.
I have to say, I've already been convinced that I want to come to Irving.
We're looking forward to visitors coming in and learning more about Irving and what all we have to offer from music and everything else.
We really highlighted Irving, I feel like, in a really great way, so it piqued people's interest.